For all of my craft guys and girls, this is the Crafter Square section at your local Dollar Tree. Welcome to the Craft Square, guys. This is the Craft Square at the Dollar Tree. There are so many great items. Look at these stickers in the Dollar Tree, the sticker selection by Crafter Square. Look at how beautiful those pop-up stickers are for $1. Look at those beautiful rub-on transfers for $1. So many beautiful, beautiful stickers. Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree. Look at all of the craft supplies for $1. Look at all of the beautiful wooden supplies. This is the Craft Square. I love, love, love this section. Look at all of the wooden boxes. This is the paint section, guys. $1. So many great paints and paint brushes by the Crafter Square. Quality paint brushes for $1. Acrylic paints, $1. If you are a stay-at-home mom, this is a great section for you to stock up on your craft supplies. They have the, oh my goodness, the Play-Doh for your kids. Beautiful, beautiful glitter glues for the girls and all of your mermaids and unicorns. All of the craft supplies that you need. I love, love, love these canvases. This is so cute. You can buy the paint and the canvases and let the kids just paint. They come in different sizes. You can get 3 mini canvases for $1. I love, love, love the Craft Square section. Look at the beautiful craft tapes by Crafter Square. Beautiful, beautiful tapes. And all of your craft supplies are right here, guys, at your local Dollar Tree. $1. Crafter Square. Everything that you need, $1 right here. Look at the big canvas panels for $1. You cannot beat that. 8x8 canvas, $1. Great craft supplies. I love, love, love the Craft Square at the Dollar Tree. There's that tube confetti I was telling y'all about. This stuff is amazing, amazing, amazing. You can make some amazing stuff with that. Everything you need right here at your the local Dollar Tree, the Craft Square. All of your foam stickers, foam number stickers for 124 pieces of foam letter stickers for $1. Got your balls, everything you need right here in the Craft Square section, all by Crafters Square. So get out, guys, to your local Dollar Tree. Pick up you some amazing, amazing craft supplies, paints. Everything you need is right here for you to get creative, and everything is $1. I love, love, love the sticker section. You may have to travel to different Dollar Trees to find some amazing items. This Dollar Tree has the best $1 sticker section. So get out to your local Dollar Tree and craft today, guys.